Hi everyone, today we are creating this walkthrough video for you to understand our solution better. Now we're located on our homepage. Here you will be able to see your name, your plan, your dashboard. In the dashboard you will be able to see how many new clients you have, issued cards, depends on the day which you choose. Then below, please, by the way, don't pay attention that my data don't have too much information because it's just a testing account. Then below you will be able to see so it's some bag activity during the months, how many cards we have, cashback card, subscription card, and so on. If we choose weeks, and we will be see like activity during the week, how many new clients we have, how many issued cards. At the bottom of the list we will be able to see information about our referral program. Then if we go to the next page, to the cards, here you will be able to create or launch your new promotional campaign. We already created a set of video where you will be able to check how to create each type of cards. Then on the right side you will have a list of promotion campaigns and cards which you already created. Some of them active, some of them are not. So for example, choose this one. Here you will have short information about this card, how many clients you have. Then you will be able to download your promo file, which you can distribute it on the front desk with instructions how to install this kind of card to your customers' Apple Wallet or Google Pay. Then on the next page in the clients you will be able to see the list of the clients. In my case it's only me, so I can send a push to myself. Card delivery information is not working in the United States. Statistics, it's the same information which we have on a dashboard. So then let's move to the clients page. And in the clients page we will be able to see how many clients we have in total. I mean, like overall through all of our promotions and cards and campaigns which we have, and how many card transactions do we have. We have a list of clients. Why it's only 3, but we have 14 clients total, because we have a number of promotion campaigns where the customers are repeating, for example. So let's move to the pushes. Here you can send a push to entire database or to the selected segment. You can write any type message, whatever you want. You can customize auto push and send push automations to any type of the cards which you have in your list. So then in locations you can add your address. For example, you can activate it or deactivate it. So let's move on. In a manager's profile you can add managers to your stores, to your locations. It depends on how many branches do you have. And at the last but not least, it's a settings information. So here we're providing information about our plans, start, grow, and business. In our case it's business, and here you will be able to see the difference between them. So one of the main points that's for example, in business plan we have 50 manager seats, and in grow plan we have 10 manager seats. We have opportunity to integrate with CRM systems such as Shopify, Boulevard, Mindbody, Simplebook, and Reservio. Then here's the prices for a year, but it depends on you what type of plan do you want to choose. So personal settings, here's information about your profile, first name, last name, phone number, and so on. And integrations, how many integrations do you have? So in principle I covered all information about our solution. I hope this kind of video will help you to understand our solution better. Thank you and have a good one. Bye.